Come test drive the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power brakes, rear floor mats, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.